Hi, welcome to Finite Mathematics. My name is Richard Bryant, and I am your instructor. This course is going to be split up into about 4 different topics. So the topics we're going to cover in this course are going to be logic. Okay, and here we're going to go mostly over syntax, and a little bit of semantics, and I'll explain the difference between those. We're also going to cover probability theory. So this is just going to be basic probability, nothing too deep. So probability theory. We're going to cover programming. Okay, so we might do some programming, and we're not going to actually do it in any particular computer program like MATLAB or Python or R. We're just going to do more pseudocode sort of stuff. So this would be pseudocode. Okay, so that's learning how to think like a programmer. And then in the final part of the course, we're going to cover what's known as game theory. Okay, so game theory is gonna pull in some of logic and some of probability, and you can think of game theory as basically a type of economics, right? So it's related to economics. Right. And economics, of course, is not actually about money, though that's what people often say it is about. It's actually about making rational decisions. Okay. Okay. um, Clear. Okay. So for this course, there is no required textbook. I believe the bookstore has it has at least some book there. I did not endorse this book. I've taught this course now for 3 semesters, and each semester they used the book that was in there before I was teaching this course, and that book is garbage. So please return that book if you've bought it. The book that we're going to use is Schwamm's. So Schwamm's Outline series. And the title is Theory and Problems of Finite Mathematics. Or you can just find it by Googling finite mathematics. Okay? And it's by Seymour Lipschultz. So, Lipschultz. Okay, so you don't have to get this book, but it will be very helpful. And I'm basically going to go through. I'm going to work on some exercises. I'm going to assign you homework from it. And that's basically how the course is going to work. Okay, so one last thing. Let's talk about the layout of the course. Okay, so there's going to be exams. Okay, so there's going to be exams. And I'm going to say that there's going to be 1 or 2. Okay, and homework. And these are going to be weekly, starting next week. and then there's going to be a final. Okay, so the homework, this is going to be multiple choice, and it's going to be on Blackboard, and the final is going to be comprehensive, so keep that in mind. And I haven't completely decided what the percentage breakdown is going to be yet. I'm kind of wrestling with a few different ideas on that right now. So when I do post the official syllabus on Blackboard, it will have those numbers. Okay, so homework will not be accepted late. You know, it's going to be done online, and it's weekly, and it's going to be multiple choice. So you don't have to physically turn anything in or anything like that. The exams, I am debating a few different methods for doing it, but I think it might have some multiple choice parts, just like the homework, and it might have some free response written sections. Okay, so that's basically it for the basics of the course. In the next video, we're going to cover logic. We're going to start logic. Okay, so see you.